Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a single flat photo into fully reactive PBR material inside Substance Painter. Okay, let's start by adding a fill layer, and in material library we can drag and drop our texture which I created by Gemini and put it on texture and import it. Right click on the viewport and drag and drop it on base color. Okay, now press F1 to see both 3D and 2D viewports and adjust the UV map. Press F2. Now we are in 3D viewport. As you can see, there are no bumps, no reflection or anything. This is where magic happens. Go to this site, which is PBR-WebVRDev.com. I put the links below, and drag and drop your texture to it. As you can see, it created normal, displace, bump, AO, specular, roughness and metallic for us. You can change the tiling here. You can increase or decrease the displace, and there are many options. You can change the material preset to wood raw, for example. If you use Blender, it gives you OpenGL normal. For Unreal, it changed the normal to DirectX, and that's it. Save all textures you need, and this one, I think that's enough. Okay, we have our new textures. Let's get back to Substance Painter, open the library and drag and drop all of your new texture here. Select all and put it on textures, import them. Now let's add them to our material. Let's turn all on. Okay, if you don't have AO, you can add it from here like that. Okay, and let's add all. For height, you can choose bump or displace. I choose displace, and that's it. Metallic was totally black, so it should be like this, and that's it. Now with shift and right click, you can change it reacts to light. In here you can decrease the height like that, and you can see this one is fine, I think. And if your mesh is low poly, you don't have many vertex or loop cuts, it's better to add a paint layer, put it on pass through and apply to all channels. We need a filter which is height to normal. It transfers all data of height map to normal, which is perfect for low poly models. As you can see, it works very well, and I really think that's perfect. And let's see a quick before and after. That was our first material, and this one is the new material that we have. So that's it. One photo, a few clicks, and material that actually reacts to light like it's got real depth. Let me know what you think in these comments, and if this workflow was useful to you, drop a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.